I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback on the weekly. The Bitcoin bulls got to hold 19,000. 19,000 must hold to avoid downside. So there's a double bottom idea. If the Fed were to come out in a few days and the rate hike, maybe raise the rates 50 basis points, market would look at that as a bullish, dovish sign. Then you can get a nice bounce out of Bitcoin here. Otherwise, you have to be concerned about lower prices for Bitcoin. 17,700, 15,600 if this level isn't held. And a lot of it's going to have to do with this news. I mean, we wanted Wall Street. We're super excited about Wall Street coming. They're in crypto. This is it. For years, we were excited about them here, and now they're moving the Bitcoin market just like stocks. And I'll go over ES1 in just a bit to show you how we're going to nail the next move. However, bulls have to show up to do something where essentially here's your low, your high. This is a higher low. Okay, so it's bullish as long as this low stays higher than this, and it were to put in a higher high. Okay, that's the bullish scenario where you get this double bottom and you get some type of reversal in a higher time frame. However, the reality is the United States Fed is going to come out and potentially they're going to be more hawkish where they raise the rates considerably, and this dumps the market. So it's real hard to trade news, but I'll tell you one thing, in a bear market, one thing I've learned is keep a bunch of money on the sidelines. So you see low price, and what you might think is cheap, what you might think is a deal, you'd be surprised how hard this market gets hit. So just prepare for the possibility where you do see lower prices and you're able to add to your bags, right? This is a situation where we're looking for accumulation. Right, if you're looking to add to your bags, your hodl bags, you're looking for accumulation ideas. We're going to zoom into the lower term time frame in just a second. One idea that I shared with you guys is plan A, plan B. This is the plan. If again you could get a great bounce here and move to this upper trend line, if the bulls can show up here, but right now we've got to zoom into the 2-hour chart in just a second to look for the chances of a Bitcoin short-term bounce, right? It's real simple. This has been support. This has been support. Is it going to be support again? Or if the bulls lose this level, you're looking for much lower prices. So you're going to short the breakout to the downside, long the breakout to the upside, okay? Right now, again, it's going to have a lot to do with what the Fed does with the upcoming rate hike. This is a Bitcoin 2-hour chart. So you've got this falling, broadening wedge. There's a 68% chance that this breaks out to the upside. However, there's definitely room for another move all the way down to 18,800. If you get that bounce here, and then say you come back up here, back test this support that you lost as resistance. I mean, you could see, we'll just extend this out a little bit further. Could see 18,000 and still respecting this pattern. I mean, you do not want to break, you do not want to lose 19,000 like we talked about. Sunday night, Monday morning, look for a move out of Bitcoin. I have some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person up 306%. He's an admin now on my group. He shorted the news, tripled his money, tripled his bag. This person, he said, Chris, another thank you email. You guys are angels in disguise. I keep tagging you in my posts and Instagram because I'm forever grateful. The skills you teach. You've got to learn this. There's no other option. Up only. This person said, thanks for providing such a good life for me. I'm only here because of you. Person had $1,000. Started with $1,000 in Kucoin gem picks. Now is at 14,385. Banging. Given 60% off and an additional $100 discount to get you in the group today. I've had so many people rejoining the group and joining the group because of the discount. So we're going to continue that. It can help you. I'll change your life forever. period. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorevnet. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorevnet. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Reached out to Joe. Now, Joe is a gentleman. He's an admin in my group. I reached out to him. I said, Joe, we need more shorts. We need more shorts posted in group. Started posting them, short after short after short after short. 26%, 26, 41%, 43, 58%. Banger. This is long out of Atom. But when you can trade the market both ways, the game changes. This one, okay, so it all depends on this. Okay, so you've had this break to the downside. So here you have your support, 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 resistance, right? Either same difference. Right here is as support. Now you've lost that level and you're back testing it as resistance. So if you do not see the bulls flip this level and come back up here, then you're looking for downside. If you get a bearish retest, right here, you're looking at some downside for Bitcoin. This thing is going to drag Bitcoin and the altcoins around like the ragdoll. All about to happen. You just have to know what charts to watch, and I'll keep you updated regularly. Total 2. Okay, so this is the total altcoin market cap. We talked about this huge sell-off previously is key support, right? So you have resistance here. Remember this. This is support. It becomes future resistance, right? So previous support becomes future resistance and vice versa. Goes both ways, right? So here you have this reversal here, this reversal here, this reversal here. This is a key level. The bulls just lost it. This is essentially a bowling wedge. This is at some point supposed to break out higher, but there's definitely room for more move to the downside, right? So altcoin market cap, you use multiple charts and you get a better idea what these altcoins are going to do. Banging. Ethereum looking ugly. We talked about the idea where this thing just rolls over, and it has. Through this rising wedge, and you just had not only previously you had this breakdown of the yellow trend line, right? Ethereum could be in some potential trouble. If you get a bounce here and you get some type of move up here, that's another good idea for shorts as far as Ethereum goes, right? Ethereum losing this level, not amazing, right? Because you've got support, lost this level. Now, if it comes back up in here and bearishly retests it, you're looking for more downside. But it could, if Bitcoin finds a way to bounce, and it could come up here, and then you get the short entry right there. So again, Ethereum walking on thin ice. Will we see $1,000? We see $1,000 Ethereum again. Most important thing about telling you guys, the bear markets, that's when you make all your money. It is a drag session if all your money is in these coins, because you're constantly losing. You need to be in the right coins, period. If you guys like the content that I make on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.